You understand? No, do you understand?
A domestic dispute call takes a dangerous turn in Sarasota, Florida. A man, visibly agitated, refuses to cooperate, escalating the situation to a full-blown confrontation with the police. What led to this chaotic encounter, and how did officers handle it? Let's break it down. On May 19, 2023, Sarasota police officers Martinez and Dugan responded to a call at Hidden Lake Boulevard. Upon arrival, they found fellow officers Jones and Vasquez already speaking with a male suspect, later identified as James Davis. He seemed upset, but no one could predict what would happen next.
The outsider saw the little boy, or
Where's the little boy?
he's in the bedroom.
Where's this guy at?
Right here in the living room.
Is he sitting down? All right. Hey, Alan. Can I talk to you for a second?
No, you can't.
Hey. Come talk to me, Alan.
From the start, Davis appears confrontational. His body language is tense. The officers attempt to de-escalate the situation, but Davis is already on edge. Let's listen to how this unfolds.
Just come talk to me.
No, you don't have anything? Get the house. What the going on?
Where are you?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
Dude. What the talking
I'm gonna stand right here, but I want to know, is that your foot bleeding?
So you're gonna talk to me right now?
Yeah.
Dude,
I want to
you
talk to
have
you.
no idea.
Listen.
I'm actually at the point where I want to join you in the goddamn. I want to go in the.
Come talk to me.
I want to go to
Come
jail.
talk to me.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a second?
You don't understand what I want to talk
I'm
to you.
trying to understand. That's why I want you to come out and talk to me. Please?
You're the wrong person I want to talk to.
Why?
You understand?
Who do you want to talk to?
Mother.
You gonna come talk to me? Come on. What's bothering you today, man?
What's bothering me? Yeah. She's got my ID. She's got my everything.
So why are you so upset?
Davis claims his girlfriend took his ID and personal belongings, and he's furious. He keeps repeating the same complaint, growing more agitated by the second. The officers, trying to keep things calm, ask him simple questions, but instead of answering, Davis keeps circling back to his frustration.
Why am I so upset? Yeah. She's got my ID. She's got everything to live in that house. What the?
I'm trying to figure out, but why is that making you so mad?
Why the is that making me so mad?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I want to know. I don't know. I want to understand where you're coming from.
Dude. Okay. I will. She has my ID.
Can I have rescue come look at your finger?
It's a
Notice how Davis avoids answering directly. This is common when someone is intoxicated or under the influence of a substance. Officers are trained to recognize these behavioral patterns because they can escalate quickly.
What happened? How did you do
that? Why do you change the
I'm
subject?
trying to ask because I'm concerned about the injury.
It's a scratch. Why not just say, listen to me.
Go ahead.
Listen to me.
Uh-huh.
Listen.
I'm listening.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You just. No, you're not.
Okay, go ahead. Keep talking.
No, because you think I'm drunk. And guess what?
I didn't say
I
that.
have had a few drinks.
I didn't say that.
That's not the part.
I'm not calling you that. I just want to figure out what's going on.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Is she's taken all my.
When asked about alcohol consumption, Davis admits to having a few drinks. This is another red flag. His speech is slurred, and he struggles to stay focused on the conversation. The officers try to assess if he's a danger to himself or others.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
That's what you have to say.
Because you told me you've been drinking. I just want to know. How much? Just one beer,
I've
two
been
beer?
drinking.
How much?
Yes.
How much?
I've been drinking.
Watch his movements. His frustration is turning into aggression. His hands are clenched. His posture stiffens. Officers know that physical escalation is a real possibility at this point.
One beer,
I've
two
been
beer?
drinking.
How much?
Yes.
How much?
I've been drinking.
How much?
I'm not gonna lie. I've been drinking.
Can I just look at your finger and make sure it's okay?
A finger. It's a f***ing scratch. Dude, it's not gonna hurt nobody.
The officers then shift gears, trying a different approach. They offer to take Davis to the hospital, concerned about a cut on his hand. But instead of cooperating, Davis resists, dismissing the injury and becoming even more aggressive.
You refusing medical? You refusing medical?
At this point,
Hey,
yes.
I'm gonna talk.
What the?
Okay.
Why are you being?
I'm working with you, Alan. He's telling me he's been drinking. Is that true?
Oh, sure, yeah. He's an alcoholic.
Okay. Has he taken anything?
I'm sure he was. I've noticed, he's getting violent. I showed him a
Yes, you
little
showed me
bit.
the video.
This was
Do
in
you
my
feel safe? Do you feel safe right here?
No, absolutely not.
How do you feel about us taking him down to the hospital just to,
You can take him wherever you want,
sober up?
just as long as he's not here.
Yeah. Is the son okay?
Yeah, he's in the. This was, and he cut his hand.
Yes,
He's trying to sharpen the knife.
He was trying to sharpen the knife and cut his hand.
Why? This was early.
I won't go to jail. And I don't give up.
That's a violent.
You think I don't? Because you are a piece of shit. I'm just trying to get straight.
Can I just get your first name? I know you told the dispatch me.
I know, it was like standing outside and I was like running back and forth. Just he was. I don't know. I just was not. I'm like, he asked his. I was pushing. Just go clean it up. And I was like, are you making your own song?
This is a common de-escalation tactic. When suspects are agitated, officers may suggest medical evaluation as a way to diffuse tension. However, Davis is having none of it. He refuses medical attention and becomes increasingly combative. Resume footage. The moment things escalate. Then it happens. Davis suddenly swings at one of the officers.
No, do you understand? No, do you understand?
Rewind that. Let's break it down. Davis' fists tighten. He leans in, and in a split second, he lunges at an officer. This is where everything changes. The officers react immediately. Within seconds, Davis is taken to the ground. The Bodycam footage captures the struggle as officers work to subdue him without excessive force.
Breathe in. On your back. Put your hands behind your back. Oh, hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Right now. No. You don't put your hands behind your back right now. Don't tell you something. You mother.
I didn't do nothing to you.
You just charged an officer, bro.
Exactly. Because they didn't do nothing to me.
Let's be real. This could have ended much worse. If Davis had been armed or if officers hadn't reacted swiftly, this situation could have spiraled out of control. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. Davis is escorted to a patrol car. Despite his resistance earlier, he begins to calm down, likely realizing that fighting the police is a losing battle. This case is a reminder. Resisting arrest never ends well. Davis let his emotions get the best of him, and now he's facing charges of resisting with violence. The officers, on the other hand, handled the situation. Let's be real. This could have ended much worse. If Davis had been armed or if officers hadn't reacted swiftly, this situation could have spiraled out of control. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. Davis is escorted to a patrol car. Despite his resistance earlier, he begins to calm down, likely realizing that fighting the police is a losing battle. This case is a reminder. Resisting arrest never ends well. Davis let his emotions get the best of him, and now he's facing charges of resisting with violence. The officers, on the other hand, handled the situation by the book, de-escalating where possible and using force only when necessary. James Davis was booked into the Sarasota County Jail. Hopefully this experience serves as a wake-up call, because attacking law enforcement is never the right move. What do you think? Did the officers handle this correctly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life police encounters.